Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll show you how I made this mesh top or cover up top. The waistline of this mannequin is 24 inches and the bust line is 32 inches. So without further ado, let's begin our project. So I have here IndoPhil acrylic yarn 4-ply and the 3.5mm hook. So first, make a slip knot and chain 73. Add 1 chain to make the first single crochet. Make a single crochet to all 73 chains. To start second row, make chain 3. Turn your work and this chain 3 count as 1 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet to the next stitch. Chain 1 and this is count as a space. Yarn over and skip 1 stitch and double crochet to the next stitch. Chain 1 for the space and continue double crochet by skipping 1 stitch. Just continue the pattern, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and double crochet to the next. Repeat the process until the end of the rows. To start row 3, chain 1, turn your work and single crochet to all stitches. Total of stitch 73. To start row 4, just repeat row 2, chain 3 and this chain 3 is count as 1 double crochet and then continue double crochet by skipping 1 stitch. To start 29th row, make 48 chains, add 1 chain to start single crochet. These 48 chains are the foundation chains for the sleeve of this top. So before we continue to single crochet, I stop here because we will make 48 chains like this one to this side. So I will stop here and use my chain marker . So I will connect this to this side to make 48 chain. Continue chains 48 and add 1. So now I have 48 chain and I just add 1 and cut the yarn and then we can go back to our single crochet stitching. So this is 48 chain and we will go back here. So we will continue our 73 single crochet and another 48 single crochet for the sleeve. So guys, I stop here. For the body, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 mesh. And then for our sleeve, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mesh. So I will work on this double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I will work only on this double crochet stitch. 24 double crochet.